Hello, beautiful family. How are you doing? Thank you for the love and the support. So, my beautiful people, today I have a quick one to share with you. Wonders they normally say shall never end. See, these are brother. It a talker must be the one and only United States of Biafra News Media. Wait till I talk. I say United States of Biafra News Media. See. He have a strong message for us. I want you to listen and make sure you watch the video to the very end. And I'll be right back.
Somebody say you are not hearing me. Can you hear me now? Please, if you are hearing me, you let me know. I beg. Are you hearing me now? Please, are you hearing me? If you are hearing me, say you are hearing me so that I can continue what I'm doing, please. So we must stand firmly to speak to support those who is doing the needful. You understand? We must support them anyhow. Anyhow they want it, let us support them. Because it has been a very long time ago we have been ignoring them, being like it's not our business, it's not our own, nothing concern us. But the same people that you are claiming is not your business are the same people defending you, speaking for you. You are hearing me now? Okay. Thank you. So let us support the Biafran government because these are the people that have defended us. These are the people that have speak for us. These are the people that have been able to defeat. Let me do you know what it takes a nation to defeat the so-called giant of Africa? Because today Biafran government, Biafran army have been able to defeat the so-called giant of Africa. Have been able to do all this needful. Today, you see a kind of people that is coming. Now, it's no more about the Fulani. Fulani have come and gone. And as they came, Biafran government, Biafran army, they do the needful. They are no more. Then they bring the other people. Biafran government deal with them. They are no more. At the end of the day, they did what? They bring the so-called people in uniform to do the needful. Because what they do before is they fly you, they will come into your community, slaughter people. At the end of the day, when they go to do the needful, or when the community rise up, then the Nigerians uniform army, they will come and protect the Fulanis. I mean, the people that is slaughtering people. So now you see that the Biafran army, they have been able to defeat all these people. Now you yourself, you have known that this is the problem we have. This is the people that is actually the problem. And now the Biafran government is doing the needful, neutralizing them every blessed day. Look at how the so-called Nigeria, they are acquiring arms every blessed day. Every blessed day, they are acquiring arms. Now have you asked yourself, where come from the arms? The Biafran army is neutralizing these Fulanis. Where come from all these arms? Then you ask yourself this question. I hope and I believe you know the answer. So the Biafran government has been able to defeat our enemy, both whatever and anyhow. Today, Biafran government has been able to do the needful in every state today. Before it just be like, let's say Biafran army here, come and say, well, then they move from here, go here. Then they move from here. Now every state have their commands and the needful. Every state, any state now that you wakes up any nonsense, the Biafran army is ready for you. Air Force is ready. Navy, they are doing their job in where they are doing. And resistance fighter them. So Biafran government is doing a mighty job. And this is what the Biafran government have been telling us. That this time around is not about Jesus' time. Jesus is going to do this. Let us pray. Even the Israelite that every one of us today, if it's something hit your eye, you say, you shall God of Israel. Look at what they are doing today. Look at how the enemies fire them, they fire back. It's only in Africa you will see a group of people, a set of people telling you how you need to submit to Ave Maria, how you need to submit to Christ, how you need to submit. And the Biafran government was the one to come up to change that mentality. Even though we have been hearing, we need to do this, we need to do that. Even on the underground, people have been there telling you how you need to submit. To the extent today, what are they doing? Political solution. Now, the remaining one, they gather and train and say, whatever, they will take it and give them in the name of, they want to put them on payroll. At the end of the day, the enemy, they will take them because they know who they are. The Biafran government was the one to come up. This is, I mean, check in Africa. This is the first time in history I have seen a nation who don't care about the enemy, who don't care whoever it is, who don't care, just like Israel. Israel doesn't look at any country that fire them. Israel doesn't look at any country at all. You do, they will do back. And this is one thing the Biafran government is doing. And this is the reason why when we say that if there's no difference between Israel and Biafra, most of people today, if the Biafran government can be able to defeat the so-called giant of Africa, if the Biafran government can do all this and stand firmly, doing the needful, defeating the enemy, I mean, even though when they have aircraft, fight jet, bomb jet and stuff, but today, Biafran army was able to do the needful. Biafran government has been able to stand firmly, feed the Biafran army, feed the Biafran effort, feed them with what they need to defeat our enemy, to defeat those who came to kill innocent Biafran people. But at the end of the day, most of Biafran people, you go sit your ass somewhere talking about how Simon Ekpa is making money, how Simon Ekpa is not doing anything, whereas your life and your property is there with you. Let us talk about past years ago. Are you now telling that you have not heard that some of the people have moved, I mean, to IDP camp past years ago? But let's talk about since the Biafran government emerged. Let us see, I mean, as Biafran, let us, and you have lived in Nigeria, especially in Biafra land. Let us check since those time and now. Before we were the victim of, oh, had I know, oh, they shoot us. But today, look at how it works. Anybody that comes to kill, if they get the opportunity and did, they will never go back. And remember, this was the promise of Mazen Amdekan. They shall come, but they will never go back. And that promise, the Biafran government is fulfilling it daily, nightly, morning, afternoon. This was Mazen Amdekan's promise to the world, that anybody that step in his or her foot into Biafra land, in the name of you are coming to kill anybody, in the name of you are coming to kill any citizens of Biafra, mind you very well that you will not go back. That promise, the Biafran government, they stamp it. Today, Biafran government have accomplished it. And this is, I mean, if you guys are not going, Biafran government have been able to accomplish Mazen Amdekan's wish that no one comes to Biafra land, kill any Biafran citizen or kill any innocent person and goes back free. It doesn't matter the kind of uniform you wear, or it doesn't matter how you dress. That particular promise Mazen Amdekan made to the world have been fulfilled. Biafran government make it very clear and fulfill it. Today, those who come to kill, they come, but they never go back. And this was the promise the Biafra Prime Minister was saying, that before you move from any territory, anywhere you are in the world, anywhere you are in the world, and you are moving down to Biafra land with bad intention, that you should do your last prayer, say or eat your last soup or whatever they call it, do it with your family or whoever that knows you. That this is the promise, you will not come down to Biafra land to cause a havoc and go free. That was Mazimankan promise. And now the Biafran government is accomplishing every blessed day. They are not only accomplishing that promise, but also at the same time neutralizing, taking. I mean, imagine all arms and ammunition the terrorists they bring down to Biafra land at the end of the day. Let me even say something. The Biafran government made a promise some time ago that you people, anybody that is buying arms against Biafra should buy more, buy more. And there was a very big reason why they were saying that anybody that is buying arms and ammunition against Biafra should buy more. What was the reason why? Because the Biafran government promised that any arm that comes down to Biafra land will never go back. It was a promise, and it has been accomplished. They said Biafran government made a promise that anybody that has bad intention against the Biafran people, whatever you bring camp will never go back with you. And those of you people who follow the team camps will never go back free. And it is a completed message, a complete promise. How many armor tanks? Do you know what it takes for army to neutralize armor tank without allowing armor tank to armor tank? It's only in the history of my age, of my time, it's only Biafran army have neutralized armor tank without firing armor tank. And in face-to-face armor tank, only Biafran army in my life age, like from since the born, only Biafran army have been one army that have been able to neutralize armor tank without having armor tank, without having fight jet, without having any type of substance. But face to face, Biafran army has been able to defeat the giant of Africa, neutralize their armor tank. Yes, of course, most of you knows. It will counted almost 20 something of armor tank that was neutralized by Biafran army. And that was one of the biggest titles that you can give to Biafran army. If the Biafran army had been able to neutralize, you know how many armor tanks they bring down to Biafra land just to do or to kill innocent people. Biafran army neutralized it. It destroyed most of them. Those who come with it, ask the people, say, where are they today? Because this was the promise the Biafran government or Mazimankan made to the world, which the Biafran government is carrying it step by step. Biafran government carry every instruction Mazimankan have laid down. Just like when the Biafran government is telling you to leave those who don't have anything to offer, or if you like, follow those whoever you want to follow, but leave those doing the needful to do what they are doing. Today, look at it. Every step, everything that Mazimankan laid down have already said this is how it's going to be. Since the Biafran government emerged, they pick it up and start doing it. And this is the reason why most of the Biafran people, they are confused. Why is all this thing going faster, faster like this? And I will tell you most of you Biafran that every single thing you are seeing today going faster, faster like this is because this thing has already been laid down. It has been there already. Now everything has been laid down. The only thing that left is to kickstart, which is what the Biafran government is doing today. You see everything going faster, Biafran government coming, Biafran army coming, Air Force, Navy, all these things coming, de facto homeland, everything is coming so quick. And some people are being like, oh, and these are even the reason why most of people are saying like, oh, we know Simon Ekpa and stop, because every single thing, as the Biafran government is announcing it, they are implementing it. As the Biafran government is telling you something about, they are already doing something about it. And this is the reason why sometimes ago I was telling Biafran that you people should understand that before Biafran government will come out and begin to tell you that this is coming, they are already working towards it. They are already doing something about it. And they are already seeing the result. The result is already out. That is the reason why they are coming to tell you about it. And believe me, intelligent people doesn't come up to say something when the thing is not done yet. And this is the reason why Biafran government, as Biafran government is telling you about something, that thing is already done and dusted. They are telling you, as they are telling you, it is already there just to implement it. And this is the reason why the whole world is confused about Biafra. This is the reason why every single person that is the enemy of Biafra are so much confused, because they don't understand how the Biafran government operates and how come, where is all this thing that the Biafra, where is it coming from?
See, my beautiful family, you need to check on this our brother on United States of Biafra News Media, where you can watch this video to the end. It's about 30 minutes, but I just take a little so that you will see the caliber of what this our brother is made of. See, hurry up and go and check on him and watch the video to the end. Please do well to share this video, like and subscribe. I still remain your one and only Progress the Analyst as I bring out the update back to back. Thank you so much and bye bye.